In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can take full control of your WooCommerce order workflow using custom order statuses. WooCommerce works well out of the box, but as your store grows, you often need more flexibility. You may need internal steps, better communication with customers, or automated actions based on how orders are processed. That's where a more advanced order status system becomes useful. In this example, we're using SDP Custom Order Status Pro. Let's start by creating a custom order status. Here, you can define the name of the status. For example, in preparation. You can also assign a color and an icon, making it easy to identify orders at a glance. This becomes especially helpful when managing a large number of orders. Next, you can define how this status behaves within your workflow. For example, you can choose the next status in the process, allow downloads, or make orders editable. You can also automatically restock products when an order reaches a specific status. This allows you to adapt WooCommerce to match your real business process. Now let's move to one of the most important features, email notifications. You can fully customize the subject and content of the email. You can also choose who receives it, whether it's the customer, the admin, or both. Using dynamic placeholders, you can include real order data in the message. For example, customer name, order number, totals, or payment method. You can also include the order summary table, which gives customers a clear view of their purchase. And if needed, you can add specific instructions, like payment details or next steps, or even attach static files. You also have additional control over the appearance of your emails, including custom CSS styling. Now let's look at automation features. You can trigger actions based on the order status. For example, you can create automation rules based on payment method or user role. This helps reduce manual work and keeps your workflow consistent. Another useful feature is the ability to send notifications through different channels. For example, you can receive admin alerts via Telegram when an order changes status. This allows you to stay updated in real time without checking your dashboard constantly. All these features together allow you to build a workflow that fits your store instead of adapting your store to WooCommerce limitations. As your business grows, having this level of control can make a significant difference in efficiency and customer experience. If you're looking to build a more advanced and automated order workflow in WooCommerce, this kind of setup can help you save time and improve communication.